Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. As you know, we're living in unprecedented crazy times. I've no doubt that this is going to go down as one of the most challenging times of our lives, if not the most challenging time. There's so many unknowns. There's a lot of fear out there. People all over the world are worried about staying healthy, and they're also worried about their finances. Almost overnight, so many things that seem to be so safe and so secure, well, they seem a lot less secure right now. But it's really heartwarming to see that so many of us have an instinct to try to help in some way. And for me, it was pretty clear what I needed to do. I mean, the world is moving online right now. All of a sudden, people are trying to learn how to make an income from home. For more than 15 years, I've been teaching people how to create an online income, how to start an online business, or dramatically grow the business they've already got. In other words, how to be able to make an income and build security and freedom from anywhere in the world that has an internet connection. So here's the thing. I know there's a lot of free stuff out there right now. Some of it's great, and well, some of it probably should have stayed in that box in the garage that it was stored in. But what I want to give you right now is clarity, because the stuff that worked a month or two ago on eBay and Amazon isn't necessarily going to work right now. And I want to give you speed and simplicity, because there's too much noise and confusion out there. So here's what I've got for you, and it's for free. It's a pivot edition of my Dropship Formula Masterclass, because we're all in a massive pivot right now. Life isn't working like it did a few short weeks ago. I'm going to take my most recent Masterclass and I'll be updating it for what's working in our new world. The Masterclass will take place over a week's time frame. It's going to include 4 webinars, so you can attend from wherever you're located in the world. And there'll be action guides, case studies, and plenty of other resources, and it's all for free. I'm going to show you what's working now to build an online dropshipping business using less than $100 without ever needing to leave the safety of your own house. I'm lucky to work with and coach hundreds of the top people in the business, and I've already got lots of insights into what's changed and what's working now. So as I said, this is for free. I'm going to do this pivot edition of the Masterclass all online. The only thing you'll need to do to get registered is enter your email address on this page. Now, one quick disclaimer. Normally when I do a class like this, my team and I spend many months creating it. But this is something people need right now. So this time, we all scrambled to put it together in just a few days. So there might be a few rough edges. And we're not going to be able to do all the fancy graphics on the pages, but it's going to be cool. And more important, it's going to be packed with content. Make no mistake, these are hard times. But I've been in business for over 30 years. And what I've seen is that out of every hard time comes great opportunity. The fact that the world is going more online than ever in the history of mankind lies a massive opportunity. There'll be some amazing stories of success that come out of all this. There's going to be some amazing online businesses that rise from nowhere during this time. We're all going to get through this. We're going to survive, and then we're going to thrive. Enter your email address and join me in the pivot edition of the Dropship Formula Masterclass.